When building a PC, choosing the right motherboard can be a critical decision. An increasingly popular feature in modern motherboards is the integrated I/O shield, which offers numerous advantages over traditional separate I/O shields. Integrated I/O shields are pre-attached to the motherboard, ensuring a perfect fit every time. This eliminates the common problem of misalignment that can occur when manually installing separate shields. As a result, builders save time and avoid frustrations, making the assembly process smoother and more efficient. In addition to saving time, integrated I/O shields enhance durability. They are typically constructed from high-quality materials that add structural integrity to the rear panel. This robustness ensures that the ports and connectors stay firmly in place and are well protected against physical damage. The integrated design also offers better aesthetic appeal. With a sleek and professional appearance, these shields contribute to the overall clean look of the build, which is especially important for those who take pride in the visual presentation of their systems. Beyond aesthetics, integrated I/O shields provide practical benefits such as improved EMI, electromagnetic interference, protection. The seamless construction helps shield your components from potential interference, leading to a more stable and reliable system performance. This is particularly beneficial for those who rely on their PCs for tasks demanding high stability, such as gaming or video editing. Furthermore, integrated I/O shields often come with labeled ports and color-coded sections, which simplifies the process of connecting peripherals. This user-friendly feature reduces the likelihood of errors and ensures that even beginners can set up their systems with confidence. In summary, motherboards with built-in I/O shields offer several compelling advantages, including ease of installation, enhanced durability, improved aesthetics, better EMI protection, and simplified connectivity.